Welcome to the Learning Pines YouTube. We hope this video helps.
You start by saving what matters. Backup documents, photos, and licenses to an external drive or cloud so you don't lose anything. Once backed up, make sure the PC has steady power. You don't want an interruption mid-reset. Next, open Settings, go to Update and Security, then Recovery. Select Reset this PC to begin. Choose whether to keep files or remove everything. You do this now to trigger Windows built-in tools without recovery media. Once you choose Reset this PC, pick Keep My Files if you want apps removed but personal files preserved, or remove everything for a clean slate. Make sure to decide between Cloud Download, which downloads a fresh Windows image, about 4 GB, or Local Reinstall, which uses existing system files. Cloud is cleaner. Review the list of apps that will be removed so you can reinstall critical software later. You're setting options now to control what returns after the reset. Confirm your selections and click Reset. The PC will reboot and perform the operation. Do not power off. Once done, Windows will walk you through initial setup. Sign in and reinstall drivers and updates, then restore your backup. If the reset fails or hangs, access advanced options, run startup repair, and from a command prompt run sfc/scano and dism/online/cleanupimage/restore health to repair system files. If those don't help, consider creating recovery media.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.